Let's say you have NPM200 and you want to hear chime before and after paging, or you want to send voice file messages to the selected zones. So to upload voice files, first log into file browser with admin credentials. So username is admin, and by default password is admin as well. Then navigate to media files. So you can upload your voice files with this, or you can also drag and drop your voice files if you want. So I'm selecting my ding dong, and that's it. So once upload is complete, the files will become available for use within the voice file player. It's important to remember also the voice file player can only play MP3 and WAV audio files. Thank you for watching.